Umchunu uzinikele emaphoyiseni ngomsombuluko ngokusho kokhulumela iNPA ubhekene necala lokubhebhezela udlame emphakathini.
He allegedly made utterances during a press conference that he held in Bryanston, which is within the jurisdiction of the Randburg Magistrate Court, where these utterances amount to incitement to commit public violence.
iNPA ithi izosiphikisa isicelo sebhayili ngoba maningi amathuba okuthi umchunu abaleke.
We will be opposing bail because when he heard that he is wanted by law enforcement, he allegedly left Joburg through a private jet. And when pressure abounded for him to be arrested, he handed himself over to the police. He's a flight risk, and we're arguing that the incidents or the commission of all these offenses induced a sense of outrage within the community. And we know the ripple effects of what happened throughout the country.
Kepha umndeni uyakuphika lokhu.
If I live with a private jet and I also come back because I see on the news that I'm looked by the cops, I come back and I go submit myself. How do you say now I'm a flood risk?
Umndeni uthi udumele ngendlela amaphoyisa alisingethe ngayo lolu daba.
The family, of course, it is very saddened about how the court has handled the matter today. The family, of course, it is very dumbfounded because those who were inside the court, I'm sure they were able to see that this was a Schedule 1 offense, and under normal circumstances or under ordinary situation, when it is Schedule 1 offense, bail becomes something which becomes automatic. But today, we're not able to see that. Instead, the case was postponed for the 28th.
Ngakolunye uhlangothi iNPA ithi angeke iphawule ngokuthi ingabe umchunu ungomunye yini wabantu abasolwa ngokuba ngamashoshozela kulezi ibhelu zangesonto elidlule.